GenTent is the best way to cover your generator while it's running, even in the worst weather. But which kit is right for you? First, determine your generator type. Open frame generators have a visible metal tube frame surrounding the engine and tank. Fully encased inverters are housed in a solid plastic or metal shell with no visible frame. To find your kit size, you'll need your generator's perimeter. Just measure the length and width of the frame or chassis, multiply each measurement by 2, and add them together. If your open frame generator's perimeter is 76 to 104 inches, choose the GenTent Universal Clamp Kit. If it's larger, between 105 and 128 inches, go with the GenTent XL Universal Clamp Kit. Both kits include universal clamps that grip your generator's frame to keep the canopy secure. If your fully encased inverter generator's perimeter is 40 to 120 inches, get the GenTent Inverter Kit. For large inverters between 104 and 140 inches, choose the XL Inverter Kit. Inverter kits use a specialized strap system designed specifically for encased chassis. GenTent fits over 3,500 models. It's time to cover yours. Weatherproof your power with GenTent.